money making mindsets. So today I decided to try a recipe I saw online. So this here you have 100 grams of oil, vegetable oil, that is half cup that is completely filled to the brim, 1 cup of water, warm water, okay, then 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, then half tablespoon of white vinegar. Next I added salt, one half teaspoon of salt, then half cup of sugar or 100 grams. Then I combine everything together just as you see me do now. Next I just decided to add my meat spice because they used nutmeg, so I added half teaspoon of meat spice and I added half tablespoon of my butter flavor. Then I added a pinch of egg yellow. You know that egg yellow is just a food color, so you can omit it if you don't want that yellow color. Then after combining it together, I went in with the flour. And for the flour, I used 2 cups, okay, 2 cups of flour. I just added it just this way. Then I leveled it out and then I added it. Well, this is the first cup and this is the second cup. Then I went ahead and made sure that I whisked it very, very well so that there will not be any lumps or anything in the batter. So after mixing it very well, just like this, I added extra 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, I added extra 2 tablespoons of water and then I combined it again the last time. Okay, and after combining it for this last time, I then transferred it into the baking pan. The thing there, you have to mix it very well as instructed. Okay, that's why I took time to mix it very, very well like this. Then if you want, after greasing your cupcake pans, if you want, you can scale each one maybe 40 grams, or you can use this ice cream scoop and scoop it, so it will still give you the same, just 1 scoop of the ice cream scoop. You can use it. Now after scooping it, you transfer into your oven to bake. So I use this my 2 pans to scoop it. Now after scooping into these 2 pans, I had some extra remaining. I think that extra gave me about 7 more pieces. So imagine this recipe worked the way I wanted it. I would have had 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, almost 18 to 20 cupcakes. It's not that it not turned out good though. It came out good, but it looks like too oily, and I think it didn't give me what exactly I wanted. So I said I will never let you go unless you bless me. So I have to turn over to try my own recipe. So for my own recipe, I will list all the ingredients on this screen. So after adding everything together, I added my liquid browning, that is liquid browning, added my my flavoring, then added water, half cup of water, then added half tablespoon of white vinegar, then added flour. My flour I use 130 grams. Okay, after combining it, I transfer into the cake pans. So for my own, I got 7. It gave me 7 cupcakes for that 1 cup. Okay, so I baked in my preheated oven. I think this one turned out better than that first one. It turned out better. You can see it by yourself. It turned out better than that first one, and it's very fluffy, as you can see. And one thing I will tell you in this recipe, please use a very, very good flavor. Yes, very good flavor.